Hi, welcome. This video is for 6th class kids who are learning negative integers. So, why I have to do this video is actually my son came to me and said, Dad, I am learning negative integers. Till now, whatever I was doing, I am very comfortable with positive integers starting from 0 onwards. If I have to add two positive integers, suppose something like I have to do 4 plus 2, I know that my teacher told me that from 4 I have to go in this direction and add 2, so I will get 6. Similarly, if I have to subtract from 4, I will go in the opposite direction and I will go 2 steps, so I will get 2. That is fine, but now I am learning negative integers, and in the negative integers I see that there are so many signs. It's getting very confusing to me. Can you help me out? So I said, okay, give me some time, let me look into that, and that's how we both together devised a game. This game, which is of 2 steps, will help you to deal with negative integers in a funny and interesting way. Okay, right. So let's see what is the game and how the game is going to help you out to work with negative integers. The game basically will have 2 steps. First is handshake, second is fight. So, who are going to handshake? Pokemon? Yes, two Pokemon are going to see each other, then they will have a look at them whether they will handshake or not. That is the first part. Once they handshake or they don't handshake, then you will see, when we will see whether they will fight or they will become friends. So, that's about it. So let's take a simple example and see how this game is played. Okay. Now let me take a simple example. I say that minus 6 plus minus 4. This is a math problem given to me that I have to do minus 6 plus minus 4. Our step 1 of the game always involves this part. Step 1 is always involves where you have more signs. So you see one plus, then when you see one parenthesis, then you see a minus. That's nothing but two Pokemon are going to meet each other for the first time in their life, and there is a barrier between them. There is a screen. So once you open the screen, they will have a look at them for the first time. They will see each other. See here, this is interesting. If they both are of same sign, that means they are of minus minus or plus plus, they will handshake because they both belong to the same sign. When they handshake, they say that, okay, I am plusing you. If they both are of different signs, then they will not handshake. If they don't handshake, it will be minus. So what happens now? This is the part in the step 1, plus and minus here. So two Pokemon plus and minus, the screen is lifted, they saw each other, plus and minus, I am plus, you are minus, you are opposite to me, I don't want to handshake with you. So I say simply, I will be minus. So this part became minus now. Now what else we have? We have minus 6, whatever we have earlier, and we have a 4. Now this is the second part of the game. In the step 2, now you are ready to either fight or you are ready to play with each other. You see, both of you are ready to play or fight. We will look at the signs of them. If both Pokemon are of the same sign, they will not fight with each other because they are of the same sign. So what they will do? They will add up and they will go for playing. So what will happen then? You have to add up these two numbers so that their strength will become more. 6 plus 4 will become 10, and they will go for playing with their sign. Okay, that's how it goes. Now let us take another example. Let's take another example. Let us say, let us take the case where they will fight with each other. Okay, right. So let us say that this is minus 4 minus minus of 6. Okay, are you ready to play the game now? Okay, what is our step 1? Our step 1 is we have to find out where we have the signs, or you have to find out the screen. So here is the screen between two signs. So I know this is the part I have to work on now. I see here if I lift the screen, two Pokemon are of same side, same sign. That means they are minus minus. So they do handshake. They become plus and say hi. We both are of same sign. Let's have a handshake. So this will become now this. Now we are into the second step. In the second step, we see what are the signs. Now I have plus sign, you have minus sign. You are not belonging to my sign, so I am going to fight with you. We are going to have a fight. So who will win the fight? Who has more energy? He will win the fight. This guy has 6 energy. This guy has 4 energy. Who will win the fight? 6 will win the fight, right? So we will subtract first and say 6 minus 4 equal to 2. So we'll put here whoever wins, this guy wins, 6 wins by 2. What is the sign of 6? Positive. That's why it will become 2. So the answer of this is nothing but equal to 2. Let's take another example. Let us take another example. Okay, let me take a simple example. See here. Let us take an example where it is 4 minus of plus and 6. Now tell me, I think you are already well versed with the game, so you are ready to play it. I know that. Okay, now step 1, we have to look for the screen, and they are going to meet each other for the first time. Okay, ready Pokemon, let us see how you are going to do now. Okay, the screen is lifted, you have minus and plus. Oh, they don't belong to the same sign, so they will not do handshake. That means they will become minus. So this becomes 4 minus and whatever the number as it is 6. Now I have, this is nothing but plus. I have plus and minus. Second step, they don't belong to the same sign, so they will fight. Who will win the fight? The one who is having maximum strength will win the fight. So 6 minus 4, minus will win the fight. So minus will have its sign. Or you want to learn this, let us say that 6 and 4 fight with each other. Who will win? 6 minus 4, 2 will win. But 6 is having what sign? 6 is having minus sign. So the answer will be minus 2. I think you find this interesting. We can do some, you can play actually with a lot of numbers and you can solve all the problems. Now should I go ahead and do a little bit complicated problem? Okay, let's go ahead and see this. I'm going to do it a little bit fast like a pro. I'm not amateur anymore, right? You also, I know that. Okay, let's clear this and play the game. Let us play the game. Instead of 2, we will take 3 or 4 and we will play the game. Okay, right. This is it. I have minus 4, then I have minus 6, then I have plus, then I have minus 2. Let us say this. Now how will we do? Our approach should be first to take 2, solve it out, then go for the third one. So first I will take these two. Okay, I will say what is, I am going to work on -4 minus of -6. Okay, now what is our step 1? Step 1, I am going to look at the screen barrier between the two Pokemon. These are the two Pokemon and they have a barrier. So I am going to lift the barrier. What's going to happen? Only one sign is going to remain. You open the barrier. Oh, they both are same. Minus and minus. Oh, they will handshake. Yes, they handshaked. Now remaining will as it is be like that? Yes. Now they will fight or they will play. Let us see now. You see that both of them are opposite signs. 6 and 4 opposite signs, so they will fight. Who will win the fight? Whoever has more energy. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. And the sign of 6 is positive, nothing but 2. Now you will take the 2 and go to the next one. What is the next one? Plus of -2. Okay. Now again we are back to the number step 1. Step 1, again there is a screen, there is plus, there is minus. Screen is going to go up. They are going to see each other. Are they going to handshake? Let us find out. Plus and minus, they are not going to handshake because they are both of not same sign. So they will become minus and it becomes 2 minus 2. Now again in the step 2, this is plus and minus. So they have to fight. If they both are of same sign, they will add their value up and go with their sign for playing. If they both are of opposite sign, then they will fight it out. Whoever has more stronger or nothing but which number is more, that number will win the game. Looks like it's a tie now because 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. I think you like this. My kid liked it and he is now very confident that he can do with negative integers. Please let me know your feedback. Okay, thank you. Bye for now.